Stein, Erev Shabbos, Kodesh, Erev Shabbos, Chanukah, in front of the iconic ice cream house, the big, huge ice cream house. We heard that there's a brand new item called Creamy Bites. We have to check it out, they said. Yitzchak! How are you, Yitzchak?
Baruch Hashem.
Du nimm den Mic, heute Mikol. Halt das Leben da mal, du soll hin.
That's no problem.
We heard that they have a new item called the Creamy Bites. Whoever I spoke to said we have to taste it, we have to check it out. Show me where it is.
Sure, come this way.
So die suchst der Taka so geht, wie mir suchst es?
Aber nicht tam.
It's in Ishtam. Let's check it out. Koidem Kol. Wow, the ice cream house.
Right over here.
Everybody favorite spot.
Fully
Wie
stocked.
is this?
Kim, have a kick.
Wow, 4 flavors. Strawberry, cookies and cream, vanilla, and mocha. They told me it melts in your mouth, it's soft, it's geschmack. Tell me a little about it, and let's taste it, Adarabba. Yisach, wo suchst du auf dem? Give me a bisschen detail.
Okay, so it's haben du in Parev.
It's a Parev, non-dairy.
Milchiks.
So they all come Parev, Milchiks?
Yep.
Yisach, cool. If you tell me which one that you recommend to taste, welche recommendst du? Such mal eins.
All of them.
All of them?
All of them.
Aber ich cannot afford 9s.
Then again, you have here Parev, you have Milchiks. So if you have a Chanukah Mesivet,
Yeah.
whether it's a fleischige, you're covered with the Parev, also just as good. And
So
if
du
you have
Shabbos Chanukah kommt jetzt. Shabbos noch ein Side, geh mit der Parev. Motte Shabbos bei der Malke.
even in the Levach, you're covered. Oder die hast a Milchige Side, Chanukah Mesivet, hast du in Milchiks.
Okay, I'm gonna try now the Milchigen. Jetzt Shabbos, Zafratik, Zafriet, Toimel. We're gonna try the cookies and cream one. Looks to me the best.
No
That's
problem.
my personal opinion. But what I'm gonna do is chicken giveaway. Everybody knows I'm into giveaway these days. Let me taste one of that, and I'm gonna do a giveaway. Whoever goes and buys them, they're sold in every Jewish store. Where every Jewish food is sold, that's where it's sold. The cookie bites. Buy the best flavor you could, taste it, and send me a vote which one you think is the best. That means if you buy one flavor, then that's your flavor. Vote on my status what's the best to win a free giveaway. Yitzchak, you know how the food here tastes. Look at the food over here. If you want to win a free Melava Malka for your family in the ice cream house, send me back 347-563-5219 to get a free Melava Malka in the ice cream house. Yitzchak, let's go for it.
So,
So geschmack.
so the mala from this is that you have it, that you can split it in half.
Okay.
So this way you don't open it and
You don't have to be left with 6 if you only
correct.
would have a few.
Although, once you get into one, oh my gosh, you're gonna end up eating the whole pack anyway.
Let's taste one over here.
Go for it. Go for it.
Wow, delicious. Yitzchak,
Told you.
I recommend you taste one also. You're probably a fleischig. They say whoever works in the milchige store is fleischig always, right?
Yeah.
So you're probably fleischig, so I'm not gonna make you taste it. But chevre, look at the food here. Look at all the food over here. You can win a Melava Malka for your family at the ice cream house in Borough Park, Williamsburg, Lakewood, coming up. If you submit to my status, which one is the best? Yitzchak, I see you tasted it. Yitzchak, how is it? It's good? Chevre, hit me up, 347-563-5219. Which flavor is the best? You can vote till the last day of Chanukah to win a free Melava Malka at the ice cream house. Chevre, send in your votes.